Welcome to this Vstaff basic video tutorial. In this very first tutorial, I will be showing you how to mark your attendance using Vstaff clocking interface. To begin, simply click the Chrome browser icon here to open the program. Then enter the path of the Vstaff clocking interface. You will be required to log in to your Vstaff account. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. After login, you will see your employee ID and your full name. There will be 3 pays, 6 entries of time. You have to complete these 3 pays of attendance every working day. Clock in every time you reach office, and then clock out whenever you leave your office. Repeat this step for all your breaks, lunch, and when you are leaving your office after work. Now, click the clock in button in the first pay attendance. The time will be recorded and displayed in the time inbox by overwriting the not available text. This button only allows to click once, so do not simply click any of it. You may log out your account after mark your attendance, and log in again and continue until you complete 3 pays of attendance today.